Why is there ice cream on your nose?
Because my nose is hungry too.
Why are your shoes different?
Because I have 2 feet.
Why are you talking to the bird?
Because he understands me better than you.
Why are you on the ground?
Because the banana wanted a hug.
Why are you dancing?
Because my feet are happy today.
Why are you watering this flower so much?
Because it is very thirsty.
Why are you talking to your food?
Because it looks delicious and friendly.
Why are you walking so slowly?
Because I am saving energy for later.
Why are you wearing sunglasses now?
Because my eyes are shy.